Ooh. Very nice Renault Alpine. Lovely.
Brought his car to be.
Yeah. I think that's his car now. Nice. Yeah. Chevrolet Corvette. Yeah. Apparently a mantra. Penny guessed it before she googled it. But yeah, very nice. There we are. Mobile Anderson Air Shelters. I forgot what they're called now. Citroen T something? T25s is it? I don't know. Very nice. Dun 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 dun. Alpine are like they take a car like Cosworth do and all that. But yeah, it's part of it. Oh yeah, so look. Just nice looking, isn't it? See what it says on the back. What's that say? Oh, Renault, Alpine.
Yeah, Renault.
Amazing. It wasn't me, Gov. Nice little bit of Americana. Yeah. Porsche 944, which we had a few years back. Yeah. What kind of wheels are they? Cookie cutters are they or something? I don't know. I know. There we are. Another one of my faves, the Renault 5 GT Turbo. Head gasket problems with them.
This is lovely.
Nice little Simca. Yeah, it is nice. Huh? Love the colour on them.
Is that? Yes.
Yeah. That's kind of very cool.
Mini gem.
Of course, again, we've had a few DS's here, Citroen DS's. I like them. Penny's not a fan. But I think they're quirky, like, you know, their design. More 2CVs. Lovely. There goes Mrs. Bean. Very nice. Yeah. This is car. Beautiful. Who would own a car like that? Another Renault Alpine. And believe it or not, I think that's another one there. Yeah, as Penny said, that's a Simca. Wow, I think. Our own treat car.
Nice.
Yeah. And a good old Ford Capri. 1.3. Yeah. I think I know this guy. Beautiful. Look at the condition of that. Another Citroen I'm not familiar with, but it looks cool. My wish list car, 289, Ford Mustang. Beautiful. I think we've seen this. We met the bloke in Domfront with that car, but I'm not positive. And then a bit of an American job there. Yeah, they're after you, Pen. Look. Yeah, I think it will be staying a wish list. Another Corvette. God, they're so popular. They're so common. Yeah, there's a Ford Classic Capri. Yeah, they've done another one where it sloped back down to the boot as well, which was nicer. and another. They're so iconic, aren't they?
Lovely cars.
And the sound on them is that blue one I went filmed before. The sound on it, we heard it come in. Wonderful. Can't beat a V8. Yeah, needs a bit of body, but I think it looks okay. Oh, and I think that's an Austin Healey 3 litre. Very nice. Lovely. Beautiful condition Mercedes SL. I don't know what year it is. Yeah.
Stephen, yeah.
Look at the interior on that.
Very nice.
Absolutely. Nice little Peugeot. I think it lives in Leyte. Been for sale, what I don't know. Lovely car.